Welcome to the DMV Practice Test Pro. Question 1. Which of the following is a poor reason to sound your horn? A. A driver in the lane next to you is too close to the vehicle ahead of them. B. A parked car has a person in the driver's seat. C. You want people to look at your motorcycle. D. You are passing someone who is in the street. The correct answer is C. Question 2. Where is the rear brake pedal usually located? A. On the left hand grip. B. On the right hand grip. C. Near the left footrest. D. Near the right footrest. The correct answer is D. Question 3. When traveling in heavy traffic, maintain a minimum blank following distance. A. 1 second. B. 3 second. C. 5 second. D. 15 second. The correct answer is C. Question 4. When making a turn, A. There is less traction available for stopping. B. There is more traction available for stopping. C. Stopping is no different than making a stop on a straightaway. D. Stopping should never be attempted. The correct answer is A. Question 5. Motorcycle passengers do not need to wear a helmet if A. They are at least 21 years old and have at least $20,000 in first-party medical benefits. B. The operator does not wear a helmet. C. The operator has not had a traffic violation in the past 5 years. D. They are over 18 years old. The correct answer is A. Question 6. When downshifting, the first thing you should do is A. Roll off the throttle and release the clutch lever. B. Roll off the throttle and squeeze the clutch lever. C. Ease out the clutch lever. D. Firmly press down the shift lever. The correct answer is B. Question 7. When riding with a passenger, you may need to adjust A. The brakes. B. The suspension. C. The brake light. D. The fluid levels. The correct answer is B. Question 8. When riding behind a car, you should ride A. In any part of the lane. B. In the part of the lane closest to the shoulder. C. In the part of the lane that places your image in the car's rearview mirror. D. As close to the car as possible. The correct answer is C. Question 9. When making an ordinary stop, you should A. Use both the front and rear brakes. B. Use only the rear brake to save the front brake for special situations. C. Use only the front brake to save the rear brake for special situations. D. Sharply squeeze the front brake only. The correct answer is A. Question 10. When adjusting your rearview mirror, be sure you can A. See the lane behind you and the lane next to you. B. See only the lane behind you. C. See only the lane next to you. D. See most of your helmet. The correct answer is A. Question 11. This sign means A. Don't drink if you are going to drive. B. Slippery when wet. C. Road curves ahead. D. You are approaching a hill. The correct answer is B. Question 12. When riding behind a car, you should A. Ride in a position that will allow the other driver to see you in their rearview mirror. B. Assume the driver sees you. C. Ride in the far left portion of the lane. D. Ride in the far right portion of the lane. The correct answer is A. Question 13. How can you increase your ability to be seen at an intersection? A. Try to make eye contact with other drivers. B. Make sure you always ride using your headlight. C. Wave your arms. D. Ride closely to vehicles in front of you. The correct answer is B. Question 14. Handlebars must be positioned with no more than blank between the highest part of the handlebar and lowest part of the seat. A. 3 inches. B. 8 inches. C. 15 inches. D. 48 inches. The correct answer is C. Question 15. When upshifting, the first thing you should do is A. Lift the shift lever firmly. B. Ease out the clutch lever. C. Roll off the throttle and squeeze the clutch lever. D. Roll off the throttle and release the clutch lever. The correct answer is C. Question 16. Riding under the influence of any medication which impairs your riding is permitted. A. If the medication is prescribed by a physician. B. If you don't feel drowsy. C. Under no circumstances. D. At all times. The correct answer is C. Question 17. Your motorcycle must have all of the following, except A. A front brake. B. A horn. C. A rear view mirror. D. A temporary seat. The correct answer is D. Question 18. If no traffic is present when you are taking a curve, it is a good idea to start A. On the inside of the curve. B. On the outside of the curve. C. Near the edge of the curve. D. Wherever you prefer. The correct answer is B. Question 19. A rider's lane position should A. Hide them from other drivers. B. Change frequently to avoid monotony. C. Protect them from the wind. D. Allow them to surprise other drivers. The correct answer is C. Question 20. Signaling a turn or change of lanes is A. A courtesy to other drivers. B. Required by law. C. Only required after dusk. D. Required when riding at speeds of 55 miles per hour or faster. The correct answer is B.